Okay, well I'm back with a quick update on my Camaro build. I've got the engine in, all completed, and the exhaust system, rear suspension, and axle and drive shaft in there, and I'll paint it up. And I just have the wheels to put on. They're all ready to go there. Got the firewall and the radiator housing and the radiator and shroud to go in. The batteries on there as well. Got the interior tub all done. Got the seats in, the dash, the steering wheel, a couple of decals down there. Let me see if I can focus this a little bit better here. Some decals go in the console there. The gauges, as you saw earlier, just I just put a white pencil on them. You can't really see them under the overhang there. So interior is ready. I just put some brown paint on around the edge of the steering wheel, left the center chrome, and I just scraped the chrome off the top of the gear shift knob to leave it white. So that'll go on there. The wheels will go on. Now I've had a setback on the body. I painted it yesterday, and the paint didn't go so well. I tried it again today and it went worse. So I'm using craft paint, Craft Smart here, blue, metallic. It's an older paint. I've had this since 2014, so it might be that it's getting old, or it might be just maybe got a chill down here in the basement or something. It was very slushy, like a slush. So I tried yesterday first thinning it with Future floor finish, and that didn't work so well. I cleaned that out, poured some more out, thinned it with windshield washer fluid, sprayed it on. It went on kind of blotchy, as you can sort of see there. After I washed it off, I let it sit overnight. Mixed up some more today with windshield washer fluid, about 2 to 1, 2 parts windshield washer fluid to 1 part paint. Sprayed that on, and it was just like slushy. You know, it was thick, and I couldn't thin it. No matter how much I stirred it or thinned it, it just was thick. So I ended up putting it under the tap and a stiff toothbrush and just washed most of it right off. I've got another bottle of paint here. I bought it a year or two ago, sort of similar. It's Deco Art metallic blue, ice blue. So I might try that. Otherwise it will just be one of the flat blue Craft Smart paints back there. And we'll see. I guess I'll wait till another day or two. Kind of got other things on my plate today and tomorrow. So a bit of a setback on the body paint. So we'll see what happens with that. I was just going to paint the outside blue here and then brush paint the roof on the inside with black, flat black, and the inside of the hood with flat black as well. So it's on hold for now, but made a bit of progress, and hopefully we'll be winding it up soon.